First thing is to remove all hardware from the wall. This includes toilet paper rollers, towel bar holders, shelving, and any electrical covers over electrical outlets. Remove your baseboards and ceiling or crown moldings. To start making a hole in the wall, just drive the end of your crowbar into the wall with your hammer and just hammer out the little bit of drywall really lightly so that you can see a little bit of what's inside. Try and use your hands as much as possible, breaking open the drywall. This ensures that you don't accidentally hammer into any pipes behind the wall or hit any electrical lines. If you need electricity to the bathroom, make sure you shut off the power before removing any electrical boxes or appliances that are connected to the wall. Failing to shut off the power can potentially result in electrical shock if you touch the wires. Now that you shut off your power to the bathroom, you can finish removing the electrical box from the wall. With the ends of the wires exposed, you'll want to make sure to cap the ends of the wires with either electrical tape or with wire connectors. Remember to only put one wire into each. Put both wires into one connector. This can cause an electrical shortage, causing your breaker to kick. Next, use your hammer to just lightly tap and breaking the drywall all the way down the wall. That way you can get your fingers in there to try and pull the drywall off into big pieces. Continue just removing all the drywall off the wall, trying to just use your hands or a crowbar. Try to get all the small pieces as well, just so that you can get your wall as clean as possible before starting to remove the rest of it.